Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE N30, and today I will show you how to go through the setup process of this phone. And when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the welcoming screen right over here. And all you need to do is select your desired language. Now I will be sticking with English, so let's tap on Start. And next page, you get to insert your SIM card. Now this step is completely optional and you can do it if you want to, or completely ignore it if you don't really care about inserting your SIM card at this moment. You can insert that SIM card at any moment in time and it should work just without any problem. So I'll skip it. The next page we have the Wi-Fi connection. Here you can connect to any kind of Wi-Fi if you have one that you can connect to. By doing so, you will, your time and date will be set automatically, and you'll also have the ability to log into your Google account. And now if you choose to skip it, date and time will need to be checked manually, and also you won't have the Google account login page. Now, all that can be changed later on. After the setup is complete, through settings, you can just go in there, connect to Wi-Fi, and then add Google account if you want to. So there's the time page and date, so you can change it if it's incorrect. It actually is correctly set for me, so I'll just go to the next page. Then we have Google services. We have things like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. So if you don't like some of those things, then by all means you can disable them. Then tap on accept at the bottom, and here you can provide some kind of protection to your device if you want to. So we have a choice. By default it goes into a PIN, but we do have a choice between PIN, pattern, and password, so you can choose whichever one suits you more. Now I'll go with the pattern here. So let's draw the pattern, tap on next, redraw the same pattern once more, and confirm, and that will set it up. So from here we can also enroll a fingerprint if that is something that you want to do. I will just skip this, I don't really want to. And next page we have the navigation. So we have a choice between gestures and 3-button navigation, so choose whichever one suits you more. I personally prefer the gesture navigation, it's just a little bit more convenient, so I will stick with it. And select both of these, and then tap on accept and continue, which does finish up the setup. So that is how you could go through the setup of this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.